Hello everyone. In this session, we're going to be taking a look at File Storage Resource Manager. File Storage Resource Manager in Server 2012 or 2 allows us to manage the files and folders on a file server. Using File Storage Resource Manager, we're able to do a number of tasks. We're able to classify the files and folders on the file server. We're also able to configure folder options dealing with quotas. We also are able to decide what type of files the user will access by creating file screens, and we can configure reports on the files and folders within the file server. Our first task is to install File Storage Resource Manager. To install File Server Resource Manager, we're going to begin by clicking on Manage, Add Roles and Features. Going to click Next on the Before You Begin screen. Next on the Installation Type screen. We have one server, so we're going to click Next on that server. And we want to expand file and storage services. And we want to expand file and iSCSI services. You're going to click the down arrow, click it again, and here we have File Server Resource Manager. This is what we want, that's the role that we want. We're going to click on Add Features to add the features that come with File Server Resource Manager. And let's pause a minute and look at the description for File Server Resource Manager. The Resource Manager helps you to manage the files and folders on the server. It does that by creating and scheduling management tasks and reports on those tasks. Folders and files can also be classified, and quotas can be configured for folders. We also are able to decide what files users will access by using a file screening policy. We want to click Next to continue. At the feature page, you're going to click Next also, and now we are ready to install. So we're going to click on Install. And we can see here that the installation succeeded, and we can close the installation progress box. Very simple installation, and you're going to have to do that installation for your lab assignment. The thing that you need to pay attention here is exactly where you will find that role, File Server Resource Manager, in the role section of your server. In your exam, you most likely would not be asked to install the role, but you should know where to find the role, and you should know what the role offers. This is the end of our session on installing the File Server Resource role. I want to thank you for listening.